Mass customization is one of the unique customer-centric program we initiated at Royal Enfield. Through this program, we are going to provide a lot of unique personalized options for the customer to configure their own motorcycle.
What I love about this bike is creating a platform to further accessorize the motorcycle and improve what that motorcycle means and can mean to a larger array of customers.
When we are thinking about unique customers, we believe it is right to provide unique products according to their own choices. A customer can have multiple choices explored at a digital configurator level. It is going to provide a unique purchase experience for the customer.